13. Shirataki noodles. Shirataki noodles are a fantastic addition to a ketogenic diet. They contain less than 1 gram of carbs and 5 calories per serving because they are mainly water. In fact, these noodles are made from a viscous fiber called glucomannan, which can absorb up to 50 times its weight in water. Viscous fiber forms a gel that slows down food's movement through your digestive tract. This can help decrease hunger and blood sugar spikes, making it beneficial for weight loss and diabetes management. Shirataki noodles come in a variety of shapes, including rice, fettuccine and linguine. They can be substituted for regular noodles in all types of recipes. Summary: Shirataki noodles contain less than 1 gram of carbs per serving. Their viscous fiber helps slow down the movement of food through your digestive tract, which promotes fullness and stable blood sugar levels. 14. Olives. Olives provide the same health benefits as olive oil, only in solid form. Oleuropein, the main antioxidant found in olives, has anti-inflammatory properties and may protect your cells from damage. In addition, studies suggest that consuming olives may help prevent bone loss and decrease blood pressure. Olives vary in carb content due to their size. However, half of their carbs come from fiber, so their digestible carb content is very low. A 1 ounce 28 gram serving of olives contains 2 grams of total carbs and 1 gram of fiber. This works out to a net carb count of 1 gram for 7 to 10 olives, depending on their size. Summary: olives are rich in antioxidants that may help protect heart and bone health. They contain 1 gram of net carbs per ounce. 15. Unsweetened coffee and tea. Coffee and tea are incredibly healthy, carb-free drinks. They contain caffeine, which increases your metabolism and may improve your physical performance, alertness and mood. What's more, coffee and tea drinkers have been shown to have a significantly reduced risk of diabetes. In fact, those with the highest coffee and tea intakes have the lowest risk of developing diabetes. Adding heavy cream to coffee or tea is fine, but stay away from light coffee and tea lattes. These are typically made with non-fat milk and contain high-carb flavorings. Summary: unsweetened coffee and tea contain no carbs and can help boost your metabolic rate, as well as physical and mental performance. They can also reduce your risk of diabetes. 16. Dark chocolate and cocoa powder. Dark chocolate and cocoa are delicious sources of antioxidants. In fact, cocoa has been called a superfruit because it provides at least as much antioxidant activity as any other fruit, including blueberries and acai berries. Dark chocolate contains flavonols, which may reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering blood pressure and keeping arteries healthy. Somewhat surprisingly, chocolate can be part of a ketogenic diet. However, it's important to choose dark chocolate that contains a minimum of 70% cocoa solids, preferably more. 1 ounce 28 grams of unsweetened chocolate 100% cocoa has 3 grams of net carbs. The same amount of 70 to 85% dark chocolate contains up to 10 grams of net carbs. Summary: dark chocolate contains 3 to 10 grams of net carbs per ounce, is high in antioxidants and may help reduce the risk of heart disease. The bottom line: a ketogenic diet can be used to achieve weight loss, blood sugar control and other health-related goals. Fortunately, it can include a wide variety of nutritious, tasty and versatile foods that allow you to remain within your daily carb range. To reap all the health benefits of a ketogenic diet, consume these 16 foods on a regular basis. Thanks for watching.